Tidwell Realty presents 101 Station Street in South Huntington Township. To view this great multi-unit, call the Tidwell team at 724-832-1100. This is the left apartment's living room. The left side of this multi-unit is just waiting for a new tenant to start making you money. Here is the eat-in kitchen for the vacant left side apartment. A tenant is sure to have a restful slumber here in this bedroom. This is the main apartment's living room. The main apartment is large enough to live in and have the other units help pay your mortgage. Here is another view of the large living room area.